Ever tried to hold in a sneeze because you didn't want to be loud? Well, you might want to stop doing that, because it could actually hurt you. Sneezing is your body's way of getting rid of dust, germs, and irritants. It's like a mini explosion inside your nose, shooting air out at 100 miles per hour. But when you hold it in, all that pressure has to go somewhere, and trust me, it's not good. Doctors have seen people tear their throat, pop blood vessels, and even break ribs, just because they stopped to sneeze. One guy even ripped his windpipe and had to eat through a tube for weeks. Yikes. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, just let it out. Cover your nose, aim away from people, and don't worry about the noise. Your health is more important.